The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike builds upon the legacy of Honda's iconic touring motorcycle, now reimagined as a three-wheeled powerhouse designed for riders who demand both comfort and confidence on the road. The Trike conversion has been executed with precision, featuring a reinforced rear axle and a wider stance that enhances stability without compromising the Gold Wing's signature smooth ride. Honda's engineers have paid close attention to weight distribution, ensuring the Trike handles predictably whether navigating tight city streets or sweeping highway curves. The addition of a reverse gear, a feature carried over from the standard Gold Wing, makes parking and low-speed maneuvering effortless, a major advantage for a machine of this size. One of the most striking aspects of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is its attention to rider and passenger comfort. The seat is plush and ergonomically designed, with adjustable lumbar support for those long days in the saddle. Honda has also incorporated advanced vibration damping technology into the frame, significantly reducing fatigue caused by road imperfections. The adjustable windscreen provides excellent wind protection, and the heated grips and seats ensure comfort in colder climates. For passengers, the backrest is generously padded, and the armrests add an extra layer of luxury, making this Trike a true touring machine for two. Under the hood, the Gold Wing Trike retains the same legendary 1833cc flat 6 engine found in its two-wheeled sibling, but with refinements to optimize it for the Trike's added weight and dynamics. The engine delivers power in a linear, effortless manner, with ample torque available at low RPMs for relaxed cruising and strong acceleration when needed. Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, remains an optional feature, offering smooth, automatic shifts that are particularly useful in stop-and-go traffic. For purists, a 6-speed manual transmission is also available, complete with a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts. The exhaust note is refined yet assertive, providing an auditory thrill without being overly intrusive. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is packed with features that elevate both convenience and safety. The 7-inch full-color TFT display is intuitive and customizable, allowing riders to prioritize information like navigation, audio controls, or vehicle diagnostics. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration mean seamless smartphone connectivity, while the built-in navigation system can be updated wirelessly. The audio system, developed in partnership with a premium sound company, delivers crisp, clear music even at highway speeds. Honda has also included a tire pressure monitoring system, cruise control, and multiple riding modes: Tour, Sport, Econ, and Rain, each adjusting throttle response and traction control to suit different conditions. Handling is where the Gold Wing Trike truly shines, defying expectations for a three-wheeled vehicle. The front end retains the precise steering feel of the traditional Gold Wing, while the dual rear wheels provide incredible grip and stability, especially when carrying a passenger or luggage. The suspension system, with its electronically adjustable preload, automatically adapts to varying loads, ensuring a consistent ride quality whether you're riding solo or two-up with full luggage. The Trike's wide track minimizes body roll in corners, and the hydraulic steering system requires minimal effort, making it accessible even for riders transitioning from two wheels. In terms of performance, the Gold Wing Trike is no slouch. The flat 6 engine's 125 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque provide more than enough grunt for effortless highway passing and relaxed touring. The DCT version is particularly impressive, with lightning-fast shifts that keep the engine in its power band. Acceleration is brisk, with 0 to 60 mph achieved in around 5 seconds, and the Trike feels composed even at higher speeds thanks to its aerodynamic design and stable platform. The braking system, with its linked ABS, delivers strong, fade-free stopping power, and the added traction from the rear wheels enhances safety during hard braking or slippery conditions. Storage is a major selling point for the Gold Wing Trike, with Honda maximizing every inch of available space. The trunk is cavernous, offering enough room for 2 full-face helmets, and the saddlebags are lined and weatherproof, perfect for long-distance travel. Honda has even included clever organizational features like removable inner bags and integrated USB charging ports within the storage compartments. For riders who need even more space, optional touring accessories like a top case or auxiliary lights can be added, making this Trike a versatile choice for cross-country adventures. The electrical system on the Gold Wing Trike is robust, designed to handle the demands of modern riders who rely on gadgets and accessories. The lithium-ion battery is not only lightweight but also long-lasting, with a quick charge capability that minimizes downtime. The trike's alternator provides ample power to run heated gear, additional lighting, or other accessories without draining the battery. Honda has also included a built-in diagnostic system that alerts riders to potential issues before they become serious problems, adding an extra layer of reliability. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a machine of this size, with the Gold Wing Trike achieving an estimated 35 to 40 mpg on the highway, thanks in part to its aerodynamic design and efficient engine tuning. The fuel tank holds 5.5 gallons, giving it a decent range for long stretches between fill-ups. Honda has also optimized the exhaust system to meet stringent emission standards without sacrificing performance, making the Gold Wing Trike an environmentally conscious choice in the touring segment. Safety has been a top priority in the design of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike. In addition to the standard ABS and traction control, Honda has included a sophisticated stability control system that monitors wheel speed, lean angle, and throttle input to prevent loss of control. The trike's wide rear track and low center of gravity make it exceptionally stable, even in emergency maneuvers. The LED lighting system ensures maximum visibility, with adaptive headlights that adjust their beam pattern based on speed and lean angle. For added peace of mind, Honda offers an optional security system with motion sensing alarms and remote keyless entry. Pricing for the 2025 Gold Wing Trike reflects its premium positioning in the market. The base model starts at around $35,000, while the DCT-equipped version will set buyers back closer to $37,500. While this places it at the higher end of the trike spectrum, the level of refinement, technology, and performance justifies the cost, especially when compared to competitors like the Harley-Davidson three-wheeler or the Can-Am Spyder. Honda is also expected to offer financing options and extended warranty packages to make ownership more accessible. The release timeline for the Gold Wing Trike is set for late 2024, with dealerships likely receiving their first units in early 2025. Honda has already begun teasing the trike in promotional materials, and eager customers can expect official test rides to be available shortly after the official unveiling. Given the Gold Wing's loyal fanbase and the growing popularity of three-wheeled motorcycles, demand is expected to be strong, so interested buyers may want to place pre-orders as soon as configurations open up. In summary, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is a masterclass in engineering, blending the best elements of a luxury tourer with the practicality and stability of a trike. From its powerful and smooth flat six engine to its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort, this machine is designed to redefine long-distance riding. Whether you're a seasoned Gold Wing enthusiast or a rider looking to transition to three wheels, the Gold Wing Trike offers a compelling package that's hard to ignore. With its expected release just around the corner, the open road has never looked more inviting.